and welcome back to a quick episode of Rich Solar Talk. Today we're going to show you how to wire your batteries in series or parallel and the difference between the two. For this example, we'll be using 4 of our Alpha 1 12 volt 100 amp hour batteries. First, let's wire these batteries together in series using these cables. When wiring these batteries together, you're going to want to connect them negative to positive across all of your batteries. Wiring in this configuration will add up the voltages of each of the batteries, resulting in a string such as this showing up as a higher battery on your controller. So in this example, this string is the equivalent of a 48 volt battery. The problem with wiring your batteries in this configuration is that the batteries can't regulate each other and they usually charge at a different rate. So if one battery goes down or one battery goes dead, the entire string will suffer and ultimately your system would fail. It's almost like the string lights for Christmas lights, where if one light bulb goes down, a whole string of them go with it. Now, once you have your batteries wired like this, you'll connect a cable to the positive terminal of one side and the negative terminal on the other side, and connect that to your controller, your inverter, so on and so on. Since these batteries don't have communication, they are unable to regulate each other in this configuration, resulting in them charging at different rates, and if one goes down, the entire system goes down. Now let's wire these batteries in parallel. To wire your batteries in parallel, you're going to want to connect the terminals positive to positive to positive, negative to negative to negative. When connecting your batteries in this configuration, they have, even without communication, a slight bit of self-regulation. So if one battery goes down or if it's a little bit lower than the others, then they'll charge it up to match the voltage of all the rest of the batteries. This configuration is only good for whatever system you have that is the same as the batteries. For example, these are 12 volt batteries. This configuration is only good for a 12 volt system. When you connect to your inverter or your controller, or both in this configuration, you're going to want to connect them on opposite ends of the string so that the charging remains consistent across all of your batteries. We would have the cables connected on opposite ends of your batteries like so that the charging is consistent throughout the batteries. For all these reasons, we would recommend wiring your batteries in parallel if you're going to have multiple batteries in your system. And there's the basics on wiring your batteries in series and in parallel. If you have any other questions, don't hesitate to call us or send us an email, and have a solar day.